Hello traders, Ala Peters, 10 minutes before FOMC release. It is 10:52 PST, 1:52 EST. What have we done the previous few hours? I said, ciao capao. We're not clueless traders. We're not interested in babysitting. Aren't you glad we walked away from computer? Aren't you glad we didn't short into this Fibonacci level? I warned you. The dance is on. You want to be in the market's babysitter? You sit and stare. You want to be a knowledgeable trader? You had plenty of time to practice your golf swing, to walk the dog, to take yoga class, to do whatever, as price spelled out very, very clearly. It's only a correction. There is nothing else here to do. Keep your fingers crossed. FOMC in the next 2 minutes. What would I like to see? Push as low as possible. Institutions remain long. If you're buying at reversal zone, this is what you get. Nothing good happens. Your success rate, 20%. The buy was here yesterday. We've done that. We need the price as low as possible. As of right now, institutions remain firmly long. Every bearish trade remains firmly counter trend structure. First 5 minutes after FOMC release, I will ignore everything. You will see very volatile and very spiky moves. No knowledgeable trader ever in the trade at the time of FOMC release. You must always and forever remember, every stop order is a market order. Your 1-point stop can become many point stop, as you will witness the most volatile and the most dangerous formations ever. Nevertheless, as expected, last 3 hours price dancing between Fibonacci levels and struggling to break through 2071.25. So, will sellers pick up this team and collapse as low as possible? They're showing the potential. So keep your fingers crossed. This level will be broken and S&P will head as low as possible. At least for the first few minutes, I will ignore everything that S&P does. I will allow markets to settle down. We're not interested in instant gratification. We're not interested playing with our basic instincts. We know extremely well that trigger happiness and speculation in trading is not a recipe for success. We will only play by the rules, and we look to only take a trade if rules are met. Reminder, reversal zone, we've been taking shorts. The end of the minor trend, we've been buying. The end of the minor trend to the upside, we've been selling. Here, we've been buying again. All these videos posted on Alpha Wave Trader blog and YouTube channel. Very pure and very simple. As expected since early this morning, I warned you. S&P in bearish correction, not much we can do. So pretty please, buckle up. You will witness the most powerful financial news in the market at any moment. And let me remind you where daily is currently. This is where we've been buying S&P from decision point to 1868 area. Our option traders having a ball. This bullish rally overextended, stuck at this resistance level for the last 5 days. This level is broken, S&P is heading to here. Nevertheless, in order to buy such overextended bullish rally, we need a powerful pullback to the downside as low as possible. If price will continue flying without pullback, we have no interest taking chances and trading with low success rate. None whatsoever. So keep your fingers crossed, it will play out. Okie dokie. FOMC news in 3 minutes. Formula remains the same, doesn't matter what you trade. Bearish correction ended at this level. If price will continue flying with worthless bearish corrections, it would not be a good news. Bullish rally in major progress. Institutions are long. Sellers nowhere to be found, which is showing to us that rumor is rates will not be raised. Not yet. 2 minutes until FOMC release. And again and again and again. Bullish rally picking up this tip from this area. We need push to the downside, traders. Rate left unchanged as expected. Shocker, why is the market crushing? Are you buying at reversal zone? That's what you get. Bullish news and market is crushing. What are you witnessing? Powerful reminder of playing by the news. If God forbid you were in a trade, showtime, that's the reminder. Is everybody clear? What I've been warning you, this is not an option. Market will continue being unpredictable. We need the price as low as possible. What is an obstacle? 20.71 1/4. Will the price blast through this level? You buying here? Your success rate 20%. What are you witnessing? For the 5th hour this morning, it's been playing out. Buckle up. Go down, baby. You can do it. No, 4th hour. I'm respecting this level. No, no, no. It's Fibonacci level. Blast through and collapse. I would love to see you as low as 20.58. You can do it. Is everybody clear that every single Fibonacci level is not random? It's picture perfect, precise. Look at 5-minute chart. Have you been buying S&P at reversal zone? S&P is doing exact same thing as Apple had done on monthly. Are you clear on that? How predictable and perfect is price? Much lower level. 1 minute after the news. I'm ignoring everything. Bunch of fluff. Look at 2-minute structure. S&P is down 10 points. You want to buy S&P at reversal zone? This is what you get. Your success rate 20%. Is that clear? Why I named this Fibonacci level reversal zone? We need S&P lower. Thank you, Vinny. And that's the magic of the price and Fibonacci. Is everybody clear on that? You want to buy the bullish news? I will never forget 2008. I am forever grateful that the only outcome I had to identify where my phenomenal stocks were crushing to this level. I said only buy, only counter trend. This is the end of the minor bearish trend. Anybody wants to use indicators? 15 charts, all bullish. Are you long? Counter trend still remains firmly. Price is blasting through 20.6250. This bullish rally just moved into hourly charts. Don't be fooled. It's not over yet. Higher the price goes, better off we are. Are you clear? Even extremely late point of entry, 5 points on S&P. 5 points, 1 lot, $300. 5 points, 10 lots, $3,000. 5 points, 20 lots, $6,000. How many trades a day do you need? No time attached to this whatsoever. Is that clear? I warned you, this is not the place to short. I warned you this morning, where is it not the place to buy? Price blasting through 20.62. My trade migrated into hourly chart. Where would I like for the price to go right now? All the way to 20.74.75. Go up, baby. That would be marvelous. We'll be taking you down, down, down. Only if rules are met. What are you seeing with bullish rally that reached 5 points? You're seeing it struggling in reversal zone. Shocker. The same thing Apple is doing on monthly, S&P is doing on non-time based charts. If you want to use indicators, you may speak now. And that's the magic of the price and Fibonacci. I promise you, it never, ever, ever gets old. Be a hunter. Don't be a babysitter. Don't be a hunted, speculative, don't know what. Know who you are. Every day wake up, stretch your arms and say, I am freaking awesome! That's when you know you live a good life. If you can look in the mirror and respect yourself, which is the most important thing in life. We played this morning by the rules. We did not get tempted, I warned you. Reversal zone was not the place to enter the position. 4-hour war zone. We took pretty lovely 2.5-hour break. Complete collapse? Shocker. I refuse to short near. Will my trade blast through 2062.50? Adjust your trail to 2059.75. Price is flying. Enjoy the ride. Let's go into hourly chart, shall we? Trail currently 2061. Price is barely outside of reversal zone. Dancing. Reminded you, nothing good happens if you're acquiring position at reversal zone. Let's monitor other time frames. 10 points later. Along from as low as possible. Clear? S&P reached 2066.75. Sellers picking up this team. Don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, we are out of this lovely almost 10 points trade. What will buyers do again at this level? Price did not push high enough for us to short. We may be taking another long, and when the price will push even higher, we will be looking to short. We are not shorting near this level. And every bullish move remains firmly counter trend. The most powerful collapse, S&P collapsing 16 points in 1 minute, stuck at the end of the minor trend. We are not shorting near this level. It's not an option. This is a dance. Bullish trend is minor, 2065.50, where our trade had ended, causing a major problem. To the downside, we are stuck. I would love for buyers to pick up this team and fly to this reversal zone. It may not happen for a while, as sellers continue domineering this market. Second trade around. Remember first trade that reached 10 points? The key moment. Will buyers blast through this level, 2065.50, and fly to reversal zone? That's where we need to see the price. You will see pretty impressive bearish volume. As I continue warning you. How can anyone trade without Fibonacci levels? I don't know. Why would anyone do that to themselves, ever? Go S&P, baby, you can do it. Hit the reversal zone. Woohoo! Another 10-point push to the upside. 2067 is very important level. Showtime traders, S&P is breaking through the end of the minor trend. Trail 2060.50. If you had enough pain and enough suffering and you want to get out, I don't blame you. I refuse to short S&P into the end of the minor trend. So let's take this as our first target. Why not? Adjust your trail very, very close. So it's going to become extremely interesting. We're at very crucial levels on S&P. Agree on that? 5 points later. Ladies and gentlemen, we are out of this trade. Let's document the result. This would take us to trade On October 28th, 36 trades, correct? Which would make 32 trades positive. Clear on that? I brought up 2 trades to the trading room, 5 trades played out. What you trade is up to you. 10 points, almost 10 points, and 5 points trade. 16 points collapse on S&P in 1 minute, and price could not break through the end of the minor trend. 2 bullish trades from this level. I will still warn you, sellers will step in at any moment. So this is a summary of our results so far this month. 36 trades, 32 positive. Every trade has different stop and different target. Tomorrow is the last trading day of the month. Last month we accomplished 42 trades, 36 positive. Only using price and Fibonacci, nothing less, nothing more.